Hi, I'm Nicky Laceby and we are going to make shortbread. Now, shortbread only has 4 ingredients. Some might say 3. I have 4 ingredients in this. Really easy to make, but you've got to treat it gently and make it all in a mixing bowl. You cream the butter and the sugar together. So we shall get on our way with that. The butter has to be lovely and soft, room temperature really. And then we are just going to pop it on to mix. And then all you want is it for it to be pale and fluffy. Right, let's go. I'll just scrape it down the sides and you can see how light and pale that's gone and quite fluffy. Into this, we're gradually going to put some flour. And now I'm letting you all into a secret on how I do my shortbread. But I put semolina in. Semolina, I don't know, whichever way you want to say it. And just mix it in. And then this just gives a little bit of coarseness. So tip that in gradually. We'll just pop some flour down. And then take the shortbread out, just a little bit of a knead so it combines together, and that is it. And then this we will roll out, and then we are going to cut it out and then pop it in the fridge for half an hour to chill. So again, when we're rolling it out, it's just gently. You really don't need to handle it much at all. Just a bit over the top. I would say we are pretty much spot on with the depth of it. And then how you want to cut it is up to you. You can use cookie cutters, you can cut it in rectangles, which is the way I like to do it. You can pop it into one of these shortbread tins. It's entirely up to you. Go creative. So if I can show you, that's just the depth of it there. It's quite thick. I'm just going to rub the tray with a little bit of butter just on the bottom. You need a fork and you're just going to prick the surface of the shortbread however many times you want. Again, you could be creative with this if you want. And then just carry it through. You'll see from this that my cutting, it's not exactly perfect. But again, I don't worry about that. Not with this. I always think shortbread, it's one of these things that if it's in a tin, when somebody pops round for a cup of tea, it's so homely and inviting that it doesn't matter what it looks like. So we pop them on the tray, keeping them a distance apart, just like that, so that it has room to grow. I'll do the same with the others, and we just pop it in the fridge for about 30 minutes just to chill before we cook them. Our shortbread has been chilling for 30 minutes in the fridge, and now it's time to bake them in the cooker on 170 for approximately 25 minutes. The shortbread's out of the oven. And as you can see, it's just a nice pale golden colour on top, which is what you want. And to finish it off, we just get some caster sugar and we just literally sprinkle it over the top like that. There we go. And I tell you something, nobody will be disappointed when they have a bite of one of these.